Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. I'm Mohammed Yusuf and here are the major updates of the day. On September 29th, at least 52 people were killed and over 50 injured in a suicide blast near a mosque in Pakistan's Balochistan province as they gathered to celebrate Prophet Muhammad's birthday. The explosion took place near Madina Mosque in the Mustang district. A senior policeman was also among the deceased. As of now, no group has claimed responsibility for the attack. Days after a historic vote, President Draupadi Murmu gave her assent to the Women's Reservation Bill, making it a law. It will be officially known as the Constitution 106th Amendment Act. The act seeks to provide 33% reservation to the women in the Lok Sabha and the state assemblies. The student protests in Imphal continue over the deaths of two young students who were reportedly missing in July. On September 28th, several students and residents began massive protests over the incident, reportedly clashing with the police and Rapid Action Force personnel. The security forces stopped and dispersed the mob using several rounds of the tear gases and shells. Pellet guns were also allegedly used, according to the students. Meanwhile, a mob protesting attempted to attack the Imphal home of Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on September 28th. The Manipur government has formed a committee to investigate allegations of security forces using excessive force on the protesters, mainly students. Sharad Pawar, the leader of the NCP, stated on September 29th that the India bloc will take precautions to ensure that there are no disagreements among its alliance partners in states like Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, where elections are due in a few months. He said that he will hold discussions with Congress and other party leaders to take precautions to ensure that there are no dispute among the alliance partners. The Ahmedabad police have filed a first information report against Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, the leader of the banned group Sikhs for Justice, for allegedly issuing terrorist threats against the Cricket World Cup, which is set to begin at the city's Narendra Modi Stadium on October 5. In the FIR, the cybercrime unit of the Ahmedabad police claimed that several people from all over India had received pre-recorded messages on their phones in which Pannu allegedly threatened to turn the World Cup into a World Terror Cup. D.K. Shivakumar, the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka and the Minister in charge of Water Resources, stated that there was no need for a Bandh because his administration was protecting the state's interest. On September 29th, a Karnataka Bandh was observed in protest of the release of Kaveri water to Tamil Nadu, which was called for by a number of pro-Kannada organizations as well as farmers' organizations. On September 28th, the Reserve Bank of India released the external debt data of the country, which rose marginally to $629.1 billion at June end 2023, although the debt GDP ratio declined to 18.6% from 18.8% in March end. The external debt recorded an increase of $4.7 billion over $624.3 billion in March 2023. Mining conglomerate Vedanta Limited announced plans to separate 5 key businesses, including aluminium, oil and gas, and steel, into separate listed entities to increase shareholder value. Vedanta Limited will remain a 65% stake in Hindustan Zinc Limited, as well as the new stainless steel and semiconductor or display businesses. The entire exercise is expected to take 12 to 15 months to complete. India is currently fourth with 32 medals, bagging 8 gold, 12 silver, and 12 bronze. Alak and Isha Singh won gold and silver in the women's 10-meter air pistol individual event, completing a historic 1-2 for India. In addition, India won silver in the women's 10-meter air pistol team event. Aishwarya Pratap Singh was the men's shooting star, winning silver in the riflemen's 3 positions. Boxer Nikhat Zareen has advanced to women's 50 kg semi-finals. Tamil actor Vishal has alleged that the Central Board of Film Certification had taken a bribe of Rs 6.5 lakh for the censor certification of the Hindi version of his film Mark Antony. He also said that he has all the proof to back his claims. Meanwhile, on September 29th, the central government took cognizance of the alleged corruption and initiated an inquiry into the claim. Well, these were the major news of the day. For more such latest updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.